Hello and welcome back. This is Dave the Carpenter's video channel. Yeah, been a while. It's been a while. Need to put my teeth back in. Anyway, so what I'm going to show you today is I got quoted, I don't know if you've heard of this, Shou Sugi Ban, where they burn the wood, £3.60 a linear metre. And what I wanted to do was to do all the soffits around the build. And to be honest with you, not a cat and else chance I was paying that. So I'm going to show you the process of what I did. That's what it's going to look like. So I went to Wicks and I picked up this for 70 quid, 63 if you've got trade discount. Went to my local Morrison's petrol station, picked that tin up for 31 quid, and I managed to do all the timber. I'm just doing my last bit now. So I thought I'd show you how I go about doing it. So that has taken me 5 minutes to burn one length, and that would have cost me 15 quid plus the cost of the larch. So to me, it's an absolute no-brainer. But we're not finished yet. As well as that's burnt, you're aiming for an elephant skin type effect on it. Next, we need to wire brush it and then oil it, which is where it really pulls out the grain and really makes it look well. So now we've burnt the top layer, the fat as I call it, we're now going to get rid of it. And it's just simply what we do now is liberally apply the oil, making sure we're getting all of it, including the sides. Now, I think this has took me roughly 10 minutes to do. And then what we're left with, once it's dry, is something that looks not too dissimilar to this. See the sun making the grain. And I personally think it looks mint. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment in the description. Let me know if you've done it before. Let me know if you've done it any other ways.